This is Mommy burping Jordan, and you know, this is really Jordan's most enjoyable pastime right now. Look at him. He really enjoys himself. Ooh, sugar.
Wow. Oh yeah.
Okay. Some more. Some more. Whoa!
That's a good one.
Did you hear that? Jordan? Say hello. Say hello. Wow. Jordan actually understands. You guys are so blessed. He seldom says hello. Okay. Say bye-bye. Eh? Bye-bye. That's great. Ooh. Okay, Mommy. Say bye-bye.
Okay.
It's okay. It's okay, Jordan. It's okay, it's okay, huh? It's okay, it's okay. It's okay. Bye-bye.